Well, it appears winter weather has finally decided to make an appearance here in New Mexico, and I could not be more stoked for this. This is super exciting. We don't get a whole lot of snow oftentimes, and typically our winters are a little dry. This one's been a little bit wetter than usual. We've had a little bit of rain, a few flurries, but no sticking snow. And yeah, this is our first major snow of 2024. Typically, we don't get a lot, but when we do, we try to enjoy it as much as we can. We're not the biggest adventurers when it comes to cold weather, but when it snows, that is when we like to get out and have fun. So today we are doing something a little bit new. We are going to go skiing, but there's a little bit of a catch. Neither of us have actually ever gone skiing. You ready?
It has no seatbelt and it swings a lot, so if you lean forward, you will fall.
That is hilarious. Blue is difficult, green is easy. If you can't stop, just biff it.
Yep, just that's
Biff
what
it.
I'm gonna do.
Red Bull sponsorship, here we come. Woo! Okay, that's not what I wanted. There you go, there you go. Pizza, pizza. All right, you're getting it, you're getting it. Not bad, not bad. Woo! You haven't wiped out yet. Woohoo! Shredding snow. Yeah. Woo! Close one. Okay. Oh,
Sore.
I'm so sore. Okay. This was my first time skiing. It was definitely a learning experience because I've never done this before. I've a bit of a challenge learning it at first. Definitely frustrating at times, but we eventually kind of caught on to it. I kind of caught on to it a little sooner than you.
Yeah, I was having a hard time.
Yeah, and you're definitely getting frustrated.
Oh yes.
But you started getting it down really good.
As soon as the slope leveled out a little bit more and I had more room to work, then it was a lot easier to figure out the basics. But the beginning of the green slope was pretty steep. And so I mostly fell my way down that entire section.
We both did. And I mean, that's just kind of how we learn. We just kind of throw ourselves into these messes and figure it out as we go. But it was a lot of fun, definitely interesting. So we're a little hungry at the moment. We're going to go head down into downtown Albuquerque and check out some really cool places there. And we've kind of been eyeing a spot there to check out that we stopped there once. I didn't really get to go in, Taylor did. But we're going to go check it out.
This is the Sawmill Market. It's a unique little, I don't know, like a shopping center mall thing, but it's all restaurants inside that are like booth sized. It's interesting. That would be like, this is really good. Yeah. What in the world do you have?
This is a modern reimagining of a fruit tart. What it is, I have no idea.
I see very colorful and pretty fake flowers and fruit.
They're not fake.
They're not fake.
They're not fake.
Those are not fake flowers?
No.
Seriously? Can
No.
you eat them?
Probably not. Well, I mean, maybe. Are you supposed to, though?
I don't know. You can
I don't
try.
I don't know.
I'll try.
I'm more interested in the berries, though.
Is it good?
It was very good.
Nice. Good coffee, good waffles. good tart, good lemonade. Everything here that we've tried so far is very good.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this short little vlog we did today of our little adventure going skiing and checking out this cool little restaurant here in Albuquerque. Definitely a lot of fun was had today. What do you think?
Yeah, it was good. We got a lot of new things in today.
Yeah, this was a lot of new things. And I don't know, what do you think of maybe doing skiing more?
If we do it again, let's go on slower slopes.
Slower slopes.
Slower.
I don't think there's any slower than what we just went on.
Less steep slopes then.
All right. So less steep slopes next time. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. And if you guys want to see and support more adventures like this, go ahead and head over to our Patreon and sign up, because we will be posting there pretty regularly of behind the scenes stuff as well as early access to videos. So head on over there, sign up, help us out. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Bye. Do you want me to say bye?
Bye.
That was belated.
Belated.
Sorry. A little out of it still.
All right. Let's go home and go to bed.
Yep.